Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color name and shapes name. First, color name. Sky blue color. Which color is this? Sky blue. Orange color. Which color is this? Orange. Red color. Which color is this? Red. Pink color. Which color is this? Pink. Yellow color. Which color is this? Yellow. Green color. Which color is this? Green. Shapes name. Square, octagon, moon, circle, diamond, and triangle. Sky blue color. Square. Sky blue color. Square. Orange color. Octagon. Orange color. Octagon. Pink color. Moon. Pink color. Moon. Red color. Circle. Red color. Circle. Yellow color. Diamond. Yellow color. Diamond. Green color. Triangle. Green color. Triangle. Square, octagon, moon, circle, diamond, triangle. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.